Hello everybody, I'm Lindsay Irvin, the Director of the Arts Institute of Middlesex County, and we wanted to give you a little sneak preview of what we have coming up for Women's History Month. This is one of my favorite books, The Bluest of Blues, and it's a biographical book about Anna Atkins and her first photographs. So these were some of the prints and images that predated all of photography. And you can see these are actually some of the images that Anna created. And it involves photoreactive paper. So photoreactive just means that it reacts to the sunlight. And so this paper has already been pre-treated with a chemical so that it reacts. And before I got here today, this morning on my way into work, I gathered some natural materials that I thought were interesting. So one of the things that Anna did when she was young and as she grew up was find little plants and specimens from outside. She was a scientist. She was a careful observer as well as an artist. And so I've tried to follow in her footsteps. And though it's the winter time, there's still lots of very interesting things you can find. I'm gonna take the photoreactive paper out of this bag. You have to be very careful because as soon as it hits the light, it will start to develop. So you can see one side is white and one side is blue. I'll work quickly, and I'm just gonna lay out some of these objects. I really like this feather, and I've kind of spread the pieces out because I think it'll make a good image. And so what's gonna happen is I'll put this in the sunlight, and wherever an object is, you're gonna see it'll make a print. So we have our photoreactive paper, and you can see everywhere that there was an object is dark blue and the rest of it is bleached out white. Now I'm gonna do the magic. I'm gonna put it in this bin of water. It's just some clean water. I'm gonna swish it around a little bit, and you're gonna see a reversal. So all that dark blue is gonna turn white, and eventually the white part is gonna turn blue. So we're gonna take that out. And this is actually developing that image. So before digital images were invented, this is the way that folks would take pictures and develop it. And this is just without a camera, it's just the film photoreactive paper. And so we're gonna let that dry. And as it dries, all this dark blue, or this blue will turn darker, and this will turn out nice and white. That's it. You can join us every Wednesday at 4 o'clock for a free reading as well as an art activity. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for joining us.